Comrades, I want to talk to you about two very important areas that the PNP will champion when they become government. We have to look at our creative industries. As a country, we have some of the most talented people you can find anywhere around. And the government has not done much to advance the creative industries. As a government, the People's National Party is ready to provide more support to creatives so that they can build their businesses, so that they can live and feel comfortable and dignified in Jamaica land we love. Comrades, a very important point that I can't sit down and not touch on is unemployment of our young people. If you check the facts, and the numbers never lie, 42,000 young people in this country lost their jobs in the COVID-19 pandemic. Young people like me, young people like you were out of a job. And again, the government has done very little to truly counteract this fallout. What we are presenting as a People's National Party government is that we invest in our young people. We provide opportunities for jobs for our young people. We equip our young people with technological and skill training. We help our young people to become skillful entrepreneurs and provide monetary support so that they can build themselves, build businesses, and build this country.